I've been in your waters.
Hey guys, so I forgot to film an intro, so I'm filming it now. But I am going snowboarding today. Well, I went snowboarding today with Ben's family, which is super awesome. My goal for today was to go on a blue run, and so we'll see how that turned out through the video, but hopefully you enjoy my beginner snowboarding.
I feel my heart is going full speed. I can't control it. Can't keep up with the rhythm of it all. Is this all an illusion? Nothing but the best for me. Need to get into motion just to find my devotion. Still I'm stuck in the middle of it all. And before all this is broken, still want you to be closer with me. Stuck in the middle of it all. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me. Gotta get into motion with you. The mix of all.
Well, I accidentally went down the wrong one, so I'm at the super tall.
So I can be in all this for you. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me. I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me.
Hey guys, so I met my goal today of going on a blue run. I accidentally went on a little more difficult one than I initially planned, twice, but that's okay. Everything was fine and it was challenging, which was fun. I actually felt really good and confident about today. I didn't feel like I was really out of control. My board only slid out like maybe twice and had like one fall. So that was really awesome that I met my goal. Right now, I'm kind of sick, so I might sound kind of funny, but right now my ears are so plugged that it's really hard to hear anything. So listening to music on the way back, people probably are so annoyed, like driving through the neighborhood. I tried to turn it down, but I want to hear it. But it was so awesome. I'm so grateful that I was able to go with Ben's family. It's so kind of them. That mac and cheese that I had really, like, I felt it in my stomach. Like, after I ate and like waited a while and then went back out, I totally, like, it was hard to put my bindings on, and my overalls just seemed so much tighter that the snaps were like coming off. But you know, you gotta eat what you gotta eat, you know. But my goal for next time is to work on my switch. Yeah, work on my switch riding. So going the opposite way of my normal. So I normally have my left foot leading, and I want to work on having my right foot leading, mostly because my neck hurts from staring down the mountain one way. So hopefully that will limit the neck pain. But I'm really happy that I met my goal of going out a little bit harder for a run. Just gotta take things slow and do your best. Okay, well, I will see you in the next one. Peace.